So I just wanted to show you an alternate ending for that makeup in case you want to do a variation on the lip, or maybe even just make it a little bit bolder, something a little bit more different. So I'm going to just take that same gold eyeshadow that I applied earlier, but I'm just going to apply more of that right in the center of the eyes for extra color. Color has really made a big comeback in mainstream makeup, which is kind of fun. It's a fun way to really experiment and express how you're feeling for the day. And yellow is such a fun, happy color. I'm just gonna touch that mascara back up because I got a little shadow on there. And we're actually gonna do a little bit of a bolder lip, almost like a semi-sweet lip. I'm gonna use a lip liner first, actually. This one is called Chestnut from MAC. And this one has a lot more brown to it, so it was really chocolatey color. So I'm basically just filling the whole lip in with the lip liner first. And actually, a fun pro tip that you can use is if you have a hard time getting your lip liner straight, instead of just lining regularly, if you actually just take your pinky down, or you can put a little tissue first, but put your pinky down as an anchor, you get much more control with the line. And then I just smooth my finger over the edge to give a little bit of that still blurred look that we talked about. Blot my lips together. And then one other really important tip when you're wearing a bold lip is after you get the general shape down, I always open the mouth and just make sure that these points on the corners have some color, so when you're talking you don't see a gap in the outer corners of the lip. Like so. Now I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush and the liquid lipstick in Carnivorous. And now when I feather that on, you can see there's just another level of depth to that color. Now, if it kind of seems like there's a lot of work and I can just hear you sitting there thinking like, I'm never gonna spend that long doing my lip in the morning or whenever you're doing your makeup, my answer to you is if you take the time the first time you apply your lip color and get that edge perfect, and you really kind of create a nice smooth even color, you're setting yourself up for a much easier day where you're not going to have to babysit that lip as much. So then when you touch up, you're just kind of coloring within the lines. It's going to stay much better and you're not going to have to worry about it moving. So it's just kind of like making your day easier throughout the day. Last thing I'm gonna do with this modified look is I'm gonna take one of my favorite liquid highlighters, and this is from Marc Jacobs. This is the Dewdrops. I'm gonna take, if I can, like a half a pump, so not a full pump. I'm gonna take that with a nice duo fiber brush. And then I'm just gonna kind of smile so I can get the nice shape of my cheek to pop. And just give a little extra glow. And this really makes a huge difference. You can see with such a dark lip, it helps to kind of soften and brighten the rest of the makeup so it doesn't feel so serious. Why so serious? And it smells like coconuts. It's really yummy. A little on the nose. All right, and there you have it. A really fun fall-inspired makeup. It's spicy, it's warm. You could wear it with a lot of different tones, and it's something a little bit different that you can experiment and play around with your makeup. Thank you so much for joining, you guys, and let me know how it goes. Tag me in your images on Instagram, #YouButBetter, and I will see you soon. Thank you.